If you ask a beginning student in English conversation this question, what did you have to eat? You will probably see them stumble a bit with their answer, or their answer will be a bit awkward. And the reason I think is that whenever they hear have to, they equate it with I have to go, I have to study, I have to call him. So when they hear the question, what did you have to eat, which is a very common question, it bewilders them a bit, and they stumble a bit when they try to answer the question. And most aren't able to answer it simply. In English, have is the same as eat and drink. Once again, have can be used instead of eat and drink. And let me show you some of the variables here. First of all, did you drink or did you eat? You can also say, did you have something? Did you have anything? You cannot just say, though, did you have? So the simple question is, did you drink or did you eat? You don't need an object, but in English, if you use have, you cannot say, did you have? You have to say, did you have something? Did you have anything? Like we see in these examples here. Did you drink coffee? Did you have coffee? It's exactly the same. Did you eat breakfast? Did you have breakfast? Exactly the same. When the question what is introduced, what did you drink, what did you eat, then you can ask what did you have. The question on the previous page that I had, what did you have to drink, what did you have to eat? It is the same. Did you have something to eat? Did you have anything to eat? Something and anything are interchangeable. Did you drink something? Did you eat something? Did you have something? These are all the same. As you see, have follows through here. When you ask about a specific meal, breakfast, lunch, supper and dinner are the same. You can also ask in English, what did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat at breakfast? For and at are interchangeable. If you want the same thing with the verb have, there's a variety of different ways. Here, what did you have for breakfast? What did you have at lunch? What did you have for dinner? Or, did you have something to eat for breakfast? Did you have something to drink at supper? Did you have anything to eat at breakfast? Here are a few example sentences. Also, when people go out to eat at restaurants, they will generally be asked by the bartender, the waitress, or the waiter things about ordering the meal. In this case, these three people, a common question is, what can I get for you? Instead of for you, you can just say, what can I get you? And then at this point, you'll say, I'll get the cheese pizza. I'll have an Amstel Light to drink. What can I get for you to drink? What can I get you to eat? Here are some answers. What will you have today? What will you be having? These are common. You can switch these up here. What are you going to get? What do you want to get? What would you like to get? Once again, some sample responses. What do you want to have? What would you like to order? What would you like to have? Would you like to order an appetizer? Would you like to get an appetizer? So Get does not mean eat, it just means to order. But when the waiter or the waitress or bartender ask you about what you would like to have, these are some common patterns. So once again, what did you have to drink today? Very common questions. The answer, I had tea to drink. The object of the sentence goes here. It does not go, I had to drink tea. I had tea to drink. What did you have for lunch? I had a sandwich to eat at lunch. What did you have to eat for supper? I had spaghetti to eat for supper. The object goes right after have. So I hope this was a bit helpful for you. You'll find a PDF of this particular page right next to the YouTube video symbol on the website. Thank you.